Welcome to Model Pest Clothing, where we teach ourselves all kind of models wear. So today, this video is about pleating of our hijab. How to put something like this on our hijab. How to put something like this on our hijab, okay? That is what we want to do. It's very, very simple. You see the style of this hijab, you see that is a V shape, okay? You see it is a V shape. So for firstly, if you want to sew something like, if you want to pleat your V shape, the measurement, you know that they had a scrap on it. This is what they use as a pleating. So what I'm going to, I have mine too, and I also have the fabric too. So I want to sew it like this type, okay? So what I'm going to do is that this place, I'm going to measure this place where I'm going to pleat. I'm going to measure it. See it. This is it. This is the hijab. So what I've cut it. If you don't know how to cut it, go and check my video on how to cut V-shape hijab. So this is it. So you will now measure this place from here. It could be from back, front to the back. You see, this is how you be measuring it. You measure it. Put your tape on and measure it. You measure it down to the front, to where you want it to be. This is where the plate is going to end, and you know that it is folded into two. Okay, let's assume from here now to this place to the front is 41 inches. That means we are going to times that 41. You are now going to say 41 times 4. You are going to measure into 4 places. Let's assume from the front to the back is 5 inches. So that means it's going to be 5 times 4, 20. Okay, so for this one is 41. So I'm going to measure 41 times 4. It's going to look at what it's going to give me. That means it's going to give me 164. So if the length of the fabric that I want to use is not up to 164, what you are going to do is that you are going to cut it. Just you join it together. Look at this one. I'm going to join them together. I'm going to join them. Look at it. You join it together and make sure that it reaches 164 before you sew it. You measure it together like this. You join it on the machine. You take the other one, you join it. That's where you're going to join it. Make sure you just have. So if it is 50, that is the length, the round measurement of the round plate, the place that you want to pleat on your hijab. This place now, look at it. This is it. Okay, this is the cutting of the hijab. This is the cutting. So I'm going to measure it from here, curve it down to this part. Okay, and if it is 41, that means it's going to be 41 times 4. The reason why we are making it times 4 is because it's pleating. Okay, you know this place is folded into 2. Are you with me? So it's 2. So the remaining 2, you use it for the pleating. So if it is 20, the measurement of the length is 20, you are going to say 20 times 4, which is going to give us 80. Okay, so that is how we are going to do it before we now arrive at this. You see it. If you don't even want it to be fuller than this, you can make it over 5, but it just that it's not be too much. So that is what we are going to do right now. I'm going to move to the machine. Now I'm going to do the sewing. How I was able to arrive here. I cut it on with V shape. After cutting it, using the method of V shape cutting, V shape method. After which I now insert the cape. I told you this cape, I love it to be bigger, but some people want it to be smaller. So if you want your cape to be smaller, that means you are going to measure like 3 inches, okay, before you now sew it, okay. So now let me move to the machine and do the sewing. I'm going to be showing us how I'm going to be showing. So please don't go, stay and watch it to the right, to the end, from the beginning to the end. And please, if this is the first time you are seeing this, you are coming across my channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you can see our subsequent video that is released. Please don't touch the that number. So I'm going to join the strap together. Okay, I'm going to join them together. Measure the two faces facing each other. because it's not long to the length. That is why I have to cut it and join it so that I'm going to arrive at the length, the total length of the fabric. So that is how we are going to do it. And the reason why is because of the printing. If you make it shorter, it may not bring out the result. So that is how we are going to do everything to the end. Now look at it. I'm done with the joining of this swap. Look at it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to insert it so that I will sew this place. Okay, and that is what I'm going to do. Look at it. I'm going to change it to the back like this. Make sure you launch it the first time you are cutting it. So I'm going to, then you measure the round neck measurement, okay, before you join it. After which you are going to insert the cape on it. Make sure you double stitch because when you start, you double stitch it. To avoid this mistake, I'm going to down. Now I've sewn the front. See, I've sewn the front. So the next thing we are going to do now, this is how it will look like. So we want to add cape to it, okay? Cape, something like this. We want to add it to it. And that is what we are going to do. So I'm actually adding 2 cape on it. This is it. I place it on each other. So the places, one will be longer than the other one. Look at the way I place it. See? You see? So when I'm done, you're going to see it. So I will now put it at the place that I lush. So I'm going to place it. You don't know how to measure, you don't know how to sew cape. Check video on how to sew cape. So you are using the method of sewing cape. That is how you are going to sew the cape on it. So if you don't understand it, download my video and watch it. I'm going to try. So I'm going to place one. Okay. So now look at it. We have finished sewing it. Fix the cape. If you don't know how to insert cape, check the video on how to insert cape. So this is it. Is 2 cape I'm actually inserting here. Okay. So the next thing now is to go ahead and put the pleating that we are after. This pleating, I want to put it on now. I want to insert it. I'm going to sew it, and this is the fabric. You can mention 4 inches for the wideness. 4 inches for the wideness. Look at it. I'm going to fold it into 2 like this, okay? And I'm going to start like this. See the plate, not the inner, like this. You put it like this from here. You start from here like this. I want to start inserting it, putting the plate. I want to start plating it. I hope you are going to see it very well. I hope you can see it very well. One, and I'm done. Can you see it? I'm going to put plenty. Okay, you see this, see, you do it like this. Let's assume it's like this. I'm going to fold it like this. Okay, after folding it, do you see the way it is? See it? You do like this. When it's like this, you do like this. Make sure everything is kissing each other. The folding part, you now do like this. See? You see? You place it, you hold it down, then you use your machine to stitch it. When you're done with that one, you do the same method again. You do like this. Okay, you see it, you see it, you see it, then you sew it. So that is how you are going to do it till you are done with the planting. That is how you are going to sew it down. Please give this video a thumbs up, like and share so that this video will when you get to the end, double stitch it. Okay, look at it. Then this place, see this place, you are going to join it together and stitch it. So that you not lose the purpose. The reason why we normally double stitch it so that is the reason why is that it should not lose on time. Look at it. So our planting is ready. Okay, you will now take it to the machine. You are going to hem this place. Okay, you fold it like this. You now fold it again. You stitch it down to this place. That is something like this. You stitch here from here like this down to this side too. Okay, you stitch it from here down to here. So I hope this video is useful. That is how you are going to do it. After doing that, let's see how it's going to look on on me. Let me put it on so that you can see. Okay, I hope you can see me. Just see the way it looks on me. Let's see the way it looks on me. Look at it. Okay, still have to hold it a little bit. It's a stretchy material. I will have to take it to the serger and serge the inside. Okay, so this is how it looks on me. Let's see the planting. Can you see? Can you see the planting? Can you see it? So the planting. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Assalamu alaikum. Do like and share. Assalamu alaikum. Love you so much. Bye.